adding your Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, egg, salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper to your shrimp. Then store in the fridge while you move on to the next step. Make your sauce by combining all your ingredients. The garlic is optional, but it definitely gives it an extra kick. To make your life easier, combine your flour and cornstarch in a container with a lid or a Ziploc bag. Add your shrimp and shake until they're all completely coated. Shake off the excess flour. Then fry your shrimp in batches. Careful not to overcrowd your pot, and use a neutral oil with a high smoke point, such as canola, peanut oil, vegetable oil, or grapeseed oil. Heat your oil up to 375 degrees and fill your pot up to about 1.5 to 2 inches. Fry your shrimp for 3 or 4 minutes or until lightly golden brown. Remove your shrimp onto a cooling rack or a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. This is optional, but for maximum crispiness, you can double fry your shrimp. Do the first fry for about 2 minutes, remove the shrimp and add back to your oil for another 1 to 2 minutes. Be careful not to overcook your shrimp. The shrimp is best served immediately. You can toss your fried shrimp in the sauce right before serving or serve it with the sauce on the side.